Australia bought the second game of the FIFA Women's World Cup. I'm on Ireland.
Yeah.
26 minutes will be Yanyan Shebi. Now, the big story before this game, Samantha Care, our film, we're pra and 20 minutes, Bobby.
Yes.
It's very painful. Very.
On team no.
I mean, come on. I mean, Samantha Care, whose statement, please go into my folder, Bibia Omnian content, Mr. Here statement not the buy any but on person amount for be troubles and some care and then one booby to the statement naba. So unfortunately, I sustained a calf injury yesterday in training. I wanted to share this with everyone, so there is no distraction from us doing what we came here to achieve. Of course, I would have loved to have been out there tonight, but I can't wait to be part of this amazing journey which starts now. Some see Chelsea Samantha Care. Some care na some na crowd. Oh yeah, it's very, very funny because 2009 February, and I born the first game. Remember the Matildas. Mira now, I bought so much, no, did 15 years.
15 years.
Yes, I'm only Italy.
Wow.
And now I'm making a debut for the Australian national women's team, the Matildas, 2009. No, did 2011? No, team on the buy no. Under 24, we don't buy no. Can we no we 3? No, so I know it's 17 years. And then 2015, she came back. 2019, I'll be a captain at the World Cup. In 2015, Brazil showed 1-0, round of 16. Yes. She was part of the team. Now, she's the biggest personality amongst the team. Almost in the form cry. And then says Samantha Care no Aboriginal rights route.
Oh, okay.
Who say Australia ankasa assassin here nipa bi dia anya UK for ne dia wo.
Australia assassin.
Yeah, the original owners of that land, we are from Aborigines.
Oh, okay. Omo ne yen fafo.
Omo ya say it's Red Indians no.
Okay.
So now ebi ana wo sakaka 20 years ago. And 23 years ago. 23 years ago, Yakobo Sydney. Obia double me say double Eddie Eddie Omio Enimio Midimum and Timonco Julius double came double crack over me. Now so Geneso. As I remember, when you kind of way I'm going. Won't be too color. We have to pass it. I won't be. For me, you didn't know you cry to so you can't be as I somebody. I'll say. Yeah, the local is watch now. It's my idea. You cry fast. You can't. My idea. You can't feel. And I grow Bucana. You're great. Why? Yeah, not just 23 years ago, you had the Sydney Olympics no coin. Australia winning 400 meters a mile race no. About winning a friend Cathy Freeman. Okay. You know, I'm say or a modern day Cathy Freeman form host the World Cup. Wow. Yeah, Papa, it's so painful, especially having a very good season at Chelsea. Cathy Freeman 400 meters. With 248 seconds. And look. Sydney Olympics, no. That was the highlight. Also, yes. As well as Madam Zomo Fita. I'm the crab. Already the Aborigines Nibiduno. I'm not assassinating Modi and Casana England for the call. So look, they are looking forward to their Samantha Care moment for Cathy Freeman. And it says some care Akupra on team starting game Nibi. Mira, no cray bacope. Ope umpeo, no cray bacope. Jordan Henderson wako Jessica. And we catch Liverpool for so oko. Monday me catch us Liverpool for no de Krabi be Cologne. Some of the omko. Fabinho ni Henderson ombeton. Ombeton. Like why are they trying to spin this? Jordan Henderson will spend the next few days with his young family deliberating what to do. Nothing is decided. Dominic King natural in the biography the master. Everything is decided. Jordan Henderson or Jutum said, "Oh, and Sakana Liverpool for no copy Sicano." Now, but say the two clubs have agreed a fee, yes. But the number for more in Lane catch area say afei do ne busua kwadwen ho ana enye nkora saa o munkora musika obi enya asomdwie untibintu aso saa. The reality is the reality. Jordan Henderson is on his way out, Kwaku, and Liverpool would replace him. Someone per Sheikh Doucouré. Aside Doucouré, they are looking for number 8. We are all waiting for that number 8. Yeah, I was over about Numpa.
Dabi foul.
Oh, no, Miss Sunny.
Mamon Hamon.
Mabudi.
Who be Yamon?
Oh, Mabudi.
Mamon Hamon.
The uncle to can in Villasewana.
Oh, we did the word to Crowder. Or to come. Try me to be your foul.
Massa, yeah,
Mamon Hamon.
You see. Oh, you want the top or baby at Brown office? Hello, would
even know one report.
Okay, my jatum. You know, the good thing about football is that Emma Kwine and my stories are either to Nkayenka. MLS All-Star game, the games that we are playing currently. Let's see it. And until some padua say I ufia nyina me de etoma koma so ye max so kono do the on preseason no.
Yes.
Sada no my dreams sign ne mani bebre na me de manu ye kwaku yesrem we nimbo we ya de preseason no it could the purpose of the preseason itself. Munya nkra no mu nsua de no no mu hu tatis
fans na team de season e sha se ala be hu About fans that oh minimbo season here ba be fia that was the preseason the ball like casabolo so see
through ball ten so
and na be hu za de na anwedi
into I'm happy obi e bo na no kwade am say Darwin Nunes no so ahwego obi jack omo look ni nia no to build chemistry and then rapport amongst players and be ya onioma person di go akwam for the main season no e betimi aye Kai Havertz na no mo sere no so akọ control ball bi na crossbar challenge so ni me
enra ya
na mo sere
omo bowi na oba na baby
no ba ball no so
na baby
so ball no
dey boka o dey dey bay abo shot back 14 volley back kura du a share
ntino jeze enu ntino jeze emfa no
dey wa ha 65 million
asa what I say ya munya butre kakra Malo Gusto no obetu Rhys James
Gusto obetu Rhys James
market today
how
Sir Rhys James no onye player or team or durable
obe practice ya ti Gusto betu no
na Gusto no obetu no but the market to and obetu no
Bishop
some shall say catch him some munya butre na monte ase
Malo Gusto betu Rhys
no you must be available. He's not available.
Da kwana na be ba.
Obetunu.
Sir.
Oh, he's very capable.
Ambo no nimbo. Baby o fi ba ne de o de.
Obetunu. Secondly, Fofana ne 9 de hin na epira sese no. De ya so dada na say we ye foforo na anya esi na bem no. Me hu so mo kasa se na no de to we play you so na ma e basa pa o.
Say ba ko na wana.
De epira so dada.
Wow.
Fofana need 24 years.
Dabi. Usapa.
On the entire focus I almost say yare no. Kuku. Wa ndi enyoya.
Oh yeah, pa Bishop. Yeah. Fana we na ma kai Akadus Milik there no.
Kuku.
We happen. Now we so buy.
There was a center Radinyame. I me apa.
We had
Jeff, you see, the other day you were saying this like the mobility as a defender. Anything you also Jenny body need this and the bay no maybe no. Kwakon to me fanye.
Dabi. Is there no
center back be war by Munich for no free Hoffenheim in call
I
Nicolas Sul. He had a similar thing. Double ACL.
Yeah.
I Radinyame.
ACL.
See another uncle for also na Madrid guy we so answer that be AC Rodriguez.
Yeah, I want to me.
One
boy. Onya ACL.
One bobo.
Yes, nyame amboa.
Fakao so dey buy
Sa.
Bobo papa bia bi.
6 months.
Double ACL a crack it to. Yeah.
Also Brame, be on there, because he's a one.
Baby,
Every day you have to was it.
Another
Let them slow. Why,
coach?
And I will go with the very coach.
me fair no so, you know, didn't come on. I just am a carbon tea.
David,
and I think I may quote.